Hey guys, we're back and about to go on a trip to the south of France for 8 days. Gonna go to some of our favourite bars and restaurants in Harlem tonight for one last time, and then we're flying to Marseille tomorrow around lunchtime. Just been here at Eindhoven Airport for a while now. Our flight's a little delayed, but about to head off and we'll be in Marseille in an hour and a half. Alright, time to leave the Netherlands. We've got our stuff in Marseille. It's about 10 degrees warmer than the Netherlands, so get excited. Good morning. It is good to be back in France. We've got espresso and croissants for breakfast as usual. And today we're going hiking. We're gonna do about a 10 to 15 kilometer hike. Go and see, they're called the Calanques, I think. They're kind of like, you'll see along the way, but they're kind of like narrow little beaches. So it should be a great day.
Sometimes everybody gets caught wishing they had another life, had another mission. They gotta make that incredible decision.
We've already seen 2 of the Calanques. The first one had all those boats in it, and now we're hiking up over this hill to the third one. It is a little hot. We're pushing through because we're going to be swimming on the other side.
I'm so grateful because I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of love, and I remember what it was like to not know love.
Had a shower and now we're ready for some dinner / afternoon snacks.
Moment of love, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I've returned.
Good morning. We've just had a quick swim at the beach. It's about 9:30 here in Cassis, and we're about to head off up to Toulon, where we'll get a hire car, and we're driving along to Saint Tropez today. So hopefully it'll be a great day. Alright, so we have arrived in this little village, kind of halfway between Nice and Marseille, where we're going to be for the next 2 days. It's called Baumes les Mimosas or something like that. But yeah, we're just coming down to have a look at the beach. It's already 31 degrees and there's a bit of like a jetty and camping area down here, so we'll check it out. Just had some amazing snacks down in the little town, and now we're walking up to the viewpoint to have a look at the valley. Has all the vineyards and all the old terracotta houses. Good morning. Today we're off to visit some of the beaches around the area, and we're heading to Saint Tropez first. We've just stopped in this little village called Grimold for some coffee, so we'll check it out. Just arrived at Port Grimold. We're about to get a little 10 or 20 minute boat over to Saint Tropez. So gonna be fancy, might have some lunch. Yeah, we're rocking the Croatia shirt now, just for the boys. We've made it to Plage du Saint Clair, where we are going to be having a little swim. It's like 5 p.m. and we've just made it to a beach, but we did get a bit of a swim at the pool at Saint Tropez. Alright, we're back from dinner. It's getting late. Just been watching some bulls on the gravel. But we've had an absolute amazing time down the south coast of France so far. This is going to be the end of the first video of 2. Also, one more thing. We haven't had pizza for like 2 months or something because we're going to Rome for a month in like literally 4 days. But we're in France. The only thing they serve for dinner is pizza, bro. The only thing, literally, not joking.